How to hide your IP address from non-trackers in Mail and Safari on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now from the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on Wi-Fi. Then tap on the Information button right next to the name of Wi-Fi. Then scroll down, and in here, make sure you turn on Limit IP Address Tracking. This will allow you to hide your IP address from non-trackers in Mail and Safari. And that's it. After, you can tap on the back key, swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.